Three tools are dominating the AI agent conversation right now: OpenClaw, LangGraph, CrewAI. Developers keep comparing them like they're rivals. They're not. One is an agent you message on WhatsApp. The other two are frameworks for building agents from code. Comparing them is like comparing a Tesla to React and Angular, a car you drive versus frameworks for building car dashboards. They live in the same world, but they're different things. And yet, developers are choosing between them every day. So the comparison still matters. You just need to understand what you're actually choosing between. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your project and why the best teams in 2026 are using more than one. Here's the thing about large language models. They're powerful but passive. They answer questions, they don't do things. But wrap an LLM in a loop with access to tools, search, code, execution, APIs, file systems, and you get something qualitatively different. Software that reasons about goals, takes action, observes what happened, adapts. The problem is orchestration. A single LLM call is simple. A chain of 8 LLM calls that branch, retry, delegate to sub-agents, persist state across crashes, and pause for human approval? That's an engineering problem, and nobody wanted to solve it from scratch every time. So, 3 very different answers emerged. LangGraph said, give developers a low-level graph-based state machine where they control every single edge and node. Maximum control, maximum flexibility. It was built by the LangChain team, launched in January 2024 and hit version 1 in October 2025, alongside a $125 million Series B that valued LangChain at $1.25 billion. The core philosophy: interacting with the framework should feel like writing code. Nodes are Python functions. Edges are deterministic flow. State is raw data, not formatted prompts, and the developer controls everything. CrewAI said, give developers a high-level team of specialists abstraction that maps to how humans actually organize work. It was created by João Moura, a Brazilian engineer who built a small agent system to automate LinkedIn outreach in October 2023. That system generated 600 inbound leads per day. He open-sourced CrewAI a month later. The philosophy here is role-based. Agents get a role, a goal, and a backstory. Tasks get assigned to agents. Crews orchestrate execution. As Moura puts it, an agent needs agency. Otherwise, it's just another script. And then there's OpenClaw, built by Peter Steinberger, the developer behind PS-PDF-Kit. He didn't build a framework, he built a product, a personal AI assistant you run on your own devices and message through WhatsApp, Telegram, Slack, Discord, 25 plus channels. No graph definitions, no role assignments, just message your agent and it acts. Configuration lives in Markdown files on your local disk. If it hasn't been written to a file, the agent doesn't remember it. OpenClaw went from 0 to 335,000 GitHub stars in 4 months, the fastest growing open source project in GitHub history. Then Steinberger joined OpenAI. Setup tells you everything about the intended audience. OpenClaw installs with a single npm command and produces a working agent in about 15 minutes. No code required, but running it properly means deploying a Node.js daemon, managing secrets, configuring channels, and hardening a VPS. The setup is simple, the operations aren't. CrewAI installs with pip and produces a working multi-agent system in roughly 20 lines of Python. The CLI scaffolds projects. YAML files separate prompt engineering from execution logic. Developers consistently report becoming productive in about 1 day. It wins day 1 developer experience. LangGraph has the steepest learning curve, 1 to 2 weeks to become fully productive. You need to understand graph theory concepts, State schemas, type dictionaries, node functions, conditional edges, reducers. A minimal agent takes about 50 lines, but here's the trade-off. LangGraph compensates with the best debugging toolkit in the category. LangGraph Studio lets you visualize graph execution. LangSmith traces every LLM call, and time travel debugging, rolling back to any state and re-executing from there, is something developers call a lifesaver. It wins Day 2 developer experience. LangGraph is the fastest in production. Published benchmarks running the same 5-agent workflow 100 times show LangGraph finishing more than 2 times faster than CrewAI. It's also more token efficient. It passes only necessary state changes rather than full conversation histories. The architecture is compiled. Before execution, the state graph becomes an optimized runtime object with near zero Python overhead. It supports parallelism through a superstep execution model. And it gives you explicit durability modes. You choose how much crash recovery you want and how much performance you're willing to trade for it. CrewAI optimizes for developer speed, not runtime speed. It gets from idea to working prototype roughly 40% faster than LangGraph. It now powers 475 million automations per month, but the event-driven architecture adds slightly more overhead than raw graph traversal, and the memory system uses extra LLM calls for analysis and scoring. OpenClaw is architecturally different. Response times are 0.3 to 0.7 seconds on an M4 Mac Mini, but latency is dominated by LLM API time, not framework overhead. The big advantage: single agent architecture is dramatically cheaper in tokens because agents aren't chatting with each other. The big risk: the heartbeat system burns tokens continuously. Poorly configured setups can generate $50 to $150 a month in background costs alone. LangGraph's killer feature is durable execution. The interrupt function pauses a graph mid-run, persists state to a checkpoint store, SQLite, Postgres, MongoDB, and resumes when a human approves. Multi-day approval workflows that survive server crashes. Neither CrewAI nor OpenClaw can match this natively. CrewAI's killer feature is the role-based abstraction itself. Defining an agent as senior researcher with a goal and a backstory is intuitive in a way that graph nodes will never be. CrewAI Flows adds event-driven execution on top, and the unified memory system provides short-term, long-term, and entity memory in a single API. OpenClaw's killer feature is the messaging gateway. No other tool connects to 25+ channels through a single process. The ClawHub marketplace has over 13,000 community-built skills, and its Soul.md identity system gives agents persistent personality through local markdown files. All 3 are MIT licensed, all 3 are free, and all 3 will cost you money in production. OpenClaw has 0 vendor fees, but you're paying for infrastructure and API calls directly. Light use runs $6 to $13 a month. Heavy automation hits 50 to 200 plus, and if you misconfigure the heartbeat, it silently bleeds money on premium models. LangGraph Core is free, but LangSmith, which you'll want for tracing and deployment, costs $39 per seat per month, with usage-based billing on top. Enterprise deployments average over $70,000 a year. CrewAI open source is free. The managed platform AMP starts at $25 a month for 100 executions. Enterprise tiers jump to $60,000 per year, and multi-agent workflows multiply your token bill because agents talk to each other. Pick OpenClaw when you want a personal AI assistant running 24/7 on your own hardware, accessible through the messaging apps you already use. It's for individuals and small teams who want an agent that works right now without writing code. Developers have used it to negotiate car purchases via email overnight and file legal rebuttals to insurance companies automatically. But be careful. OpenClaw has accumulated over 150 security advisories. Cisco found a third-party skill doing silent data exfiltration. If security matters, you need to audit every skill you install. Pick LangGraph when you're building complex, stateful, production-grade workflows that need explicit control over every execution path. Regulated industries, audit trails, durable execution that survives crashes. Human-in-the-loop approval gates, this is what Uber, LinkedIn, and JP Morgan are running in production. Pick CrewAI when your problem maps to a team of specialists and you want the fastest path from idea to working prototype. Content pipelines, customer support triage, data enrichment, PwC used it to boost code generation accuracy from 10% to 70%. If the role-based metaphor fits, nothing gets you there faster. Here's what most comparison videos won't tell you. The smartest teams aren't picking one, they're using layers. CrewAI to validate the concept fast. LangGraph when they hit the abstraction ceiling and need explicit control. OpenClaw when they need a user-facing messaging agent. And one protocol is connecting all of them. MCP, the Model Context Protocol. OpenClaw supports it natively. CrewAI added it in version 1.10. LangGraph supports it through toolkit integration. Any tool exposed via MCP becomes available everywhere. The framework wars may not end with a winner, they may end with a protocol layer that makes all three interchangeable components in a larger stack. These aren't competing choices, they're complementary tools at different abstraction levels. And the teams shipping the most effective AI agents in 2026 have figured that out.